Today at school, we learned about the water system. My teacher said it's Earth's most valuable resource. But if it's so important, how smart are we with our water? My dad always drinks at least 4 bottles a day. Mom uses a fill per garden grow. Even the gross carrots. They both enjoy cooking and always use a lot of water. From washing the veggies to boiling water for pasta. We use water for everything. But what if we're not careful? There are lots of ways to waste water. Leaky pipes can drip, people leave their faucets running, and others don't even know they're wasting water. So we got an Aquaro water monitor. We placed it on our main pipe and it senses the water that flows through it. Dad says the sensor uses sound waves to measure the water, so it's safe for our pipes. It then connects to a simple hub upstairs. All that information then gets sent to Dad's phone where we can see everything. It even warns my dad if we have a leak. We can also see how much water we use, and it helps us use less every day. Now we definitely know that we're using water in a smart way.